drag this film look creator onto your clip, and as you can see, it's already started to look different. First, we're gonna go to this color space override and select our color space for the footage, and this is quite important. So as I'm working on Sony S Gamma 3.cine, so I'm gonna select that, and then for output color space I'm gonna just select Rec 709, and output gamma would be gamma 2.4. So just look at this, we were here and we are already just freaking awesome. And now here under film look we have some presets. We can select this one, you can see it looks much more rich, I would say, and then it looks even better, but I like this one. You see the colors just pops, it looks way better than those. And you can select this vintage and aurora as well, but for now I'm gonna just select this one. And here you can see some color settings, but I'm not gonna go into these because these are quite straightforward. And if you want to tweak the overall color mode, this is where we do it without destroying the skin tone. So for vignette, halation, and this one actually really important. Let's say if you want to add some halation effects, you can do it from here. So I love this grain option, it gives a film grain which you can see, but if you don't like it you can just toggle it off. Okay, but most importantly what we have here is some presets under film look creator, and these presets gives you a dynamic look with a personality. Like say for cinematic, it gives you this wide angle cinematic look with its own color look, and it looks so good. And if you don't like it you can go to nostalgic. it looks really cool. Then there are some other options you can use, and look at this, this is the before and this is how it looks now. Then but for now I'm gonna go to cinematic because I really love this cinematic wide angle look. Then you can blend these colors like the amount how much you want. It's not necessarily needed to be like 100%, you can bring them down if you want to, some effects as well. So now just look at it, and if you want you can do some minor correction before you do these film look creator effects, because that way it's gonna look much better. So this is the result you get without touching a single color wheel inside DaVinci Resolve, and this is impressive. So if you're in a deadline, this gets you surprisingly close in just a few seconds, which is amazing.